my knees to the back. Look over your right, look over your left, right, left, step, turn. Then we're gonna get into a line, and in the line, it's gonna go, how you feel, how you feel, how you feel. And then you're gonna walk out of the line, and the Beyonce part is gonna start. And then you're gonna go, slide, slide, right, left, turn, turn, forward, backward, head, head, shake your head, turn, turn, in, push back, walk around yourself with money, and then shoulder, 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 snap. And then you're going to cross and jump out, and then cross and jump out again, and then cross and jump out again. So it's 3 times. Then you go into the tick-tock part, which is at the beat drop, and it goes cross, cross, shimmy, right, left, head, down, hip, hip, head, head. Twirl your hands. And then you do it again.